This course is for anyone looking to lose weight long term. This means it's right for you if you're a beginner with little to no experience, and also if you've already tried a number of weight loss strategies and simply never got the results you were hoping for. What sets this course apart from others is that I don't just want to teach you a few motivation tips and then leave you alone. From my experience, to see lasting results, you need to know how your mind and body work and what kind of environment and habits you need to create for long-term motivation. Therefore, we will look at the science behind motivation. Yes, there actually is something like that. And then we design a game plan that is ideal for you and your needs. In the program, I will not only give you the tools to improve your motivation, but we will also make sure you know where you want to go. Goal setting is extremely important, and I will guide you step by step through the process of setting up motivational goals that you will want to pursue. Unfortunately, with all this contradictory advice out there, it's often difficult to stay on track and not jump from one program to the next. That's why in my courses, I make sure to teach you strategies that are based on actual research, both related to psychology and dieting, so you know it's proven to work. My goal has always been to create courses that really make a difference in your life and help you get long-term results.